everyone, I'm still bad because I'm using my strength. So parents, remember to give this video to your kids. Okay? So tick tick 1, tick tick 2, tick tick 3 and done. So children, today our topic is pollution. We can't pollute our world because it's very dangerous. Our trees will die. And we can't see the beautiful stars. And also don't pollute the water. Because nowadays in all South Africa, the water is polluted, so they are drinking dirty water. Be grateful that you have nice water. Okay? So never pollute the water and the world. If we pollute the world, our trees will die. And we will not get oxygen. And you will not see the beautiful stars. Do you see any? Do you see any stars?
No.
Yeah, just like that. We should not pollute our world. So, I'm still bright. You also follow the last channel. Be grateful for your brightness. Thank you and have a nice day.